1. You should eat your vegetables to stay healthy. 2. I should go to bed early tonight for a good night's sleep. 3. We should be polite and respectful to others. 4. She should apologize for her mistake. 5. They should follow the rules of the game. 6. It should stop raining soon. 7. We should call our parents to let them know we're safe. 8. You should wear a coat in this cold weather. 9. I should clean my room before it gets too messy. 10. He should be on time for the meeting. 11. She should take a break and relax. 12. They should listen to their teacher's advice. 13. We should save money for our future. 14. You should be honest with your friends. 15. I should finish my homework before watching TV. 16. He should exercise regularly for better health. 17. She should use her turn signal while driving. 18. They should help their neighbors in times of need. 19. We should recycle to protect the environment. 20. These sentences use should to express recommendations, obligations, or suggestions in a simple context.